selecting some hot products to promote. So by now you surely are all pumped up about becoming an Amazon affiliate, and with good reason. You have seen how easy it can be to find good niches to promote when you know how to do it right. And we wouldn't be surprised to know that you already found the ones to promote on your Amazon affiliate site following the steps that we taught you in our past video, but we are not done with that just yet. You see, once people find a good niche to promote, they tend to think that it will be enough to just review lots of products on their niche of choice, put the links in, and call it a day, but you will hardly make good money by doing so. This is why in this video, we are going to show step by step the strategy behind selecting the hottest products in your niche. Bestseller lists are the key. The Amazon list of bestsellers is a great source of information about what you should promote as an Amazon affiliate, especially because these bestsellers lists will tell you which products are top sellers in the marketplace. Another benefit of looking at these bestseller lists is that you will be getting up-to-date information about hot-selling products, so you can be aware of which products are trending so you can leverage their traffic. How can you select hot products to promote from the bestsellers lists? In our previous video, we showed you how to easily find a bestsellers section for all product categories by going to the Amazon.com/bestsellers URL. From there, you can easily find which of the hottest products are both in your niche and in your niche's category. The way the Amazon bestsellers page is designed will make it easier to find the hottest products in your niche's category first. Start by going to the link leading to your niche's category on the left. In our case, we click on electronics. Here you will be able to find every bestseller product on every other niche from your niche's category. You will be able to locate your niche on the subcategory menu on the left, in our case, home audio and theater. Note how you will find every best-selling product from the subcategory, but because you need to find the products in your niche, you will have to look on the left side menu. In our case, we click on Home Theater Systems. Now let's click on Complete Home Theater Systems, because those are the high-priced products that we're going to promote on our affiliate site. Remember that these will vary depending on the products that you select. Finding the top performers in your niche. Once you find the best-selling products in your niche, you will be able to sort them out and select the hottest ones from the hot new releases, most wished for, and gift ideas lists found in the bestsellers section of your high-priced niche product. The hot new releases lists can give you ideas about new products that can be marketed to people that are always on the lookout for the newest products and gadgets. These lists are especially good if you are promoting electronics, video games, and smart devices. The most wished for lists can give you a very good idea about purchasing intent because these items are always added to wish lists by people that are going to buy these items on a later date, making these products worthwhile for promotion. And the gift ideas lists will give you a good idea of what items most people consider to be nice gifts because these are the items that Amazon users are gifting to others, which you can casually mention on your product promotions. This is the easiest way to find the hottest and most profitable products to promote as an affiliate on the Amazon Marketplace. Creating an Amazon affiliate website. So you've made up your mind about how awesome it is to become an Amazon affiliate and have decided to take your first steps into becoming the best Amazon affiliate that you can by following up on the advice revealed in our previous videos. In this respect, you started looking for a nice niche that you would enjoy promoting and started navigating the Amazon Marketplace up and down in order to find the best and most profitable products that Amazon can offer to its affiliates. But now the time has come to start tinkering with the technical aspects of getting your Amazon affiliates business up and running, and we're talking about creating your Amazon affiliate website with a few clicks. Many people would be tempted to leave this job to someone else, but in this video, we're going to show you how easy it really is to set up an Amazon affiliate website on your own using popular, easy-to-use, and budget-friendly online tools. What are the benefits of creating an Amazon affiliate website? Amazon affiliate websites are a cost-effective and easy-to-set-up method of monetizing online content. Amazon affiliate websites offer a very straightforward way of making affiliate marketing money, unlike traditional affiliate marketing schemes that force you to use intrusive advertising that you will have to cover with your own money. Referrals from your website to Amazon.com will make you money from any purchase they make. Using the Amazon brand name is a great way to monetize the content on your site because it will help you to reach people that are already looking for help making purchases in the Amazon Marketplace. What do you need to create an Amazon affiliate website? Creating an Amazon affiliate website from scratch is a very easy process when you know how to do it. Many people have to sort that out on their own. But in this video, we're going to show step by step how to do it and where to find everything that you need in one place. Domain name. A domain name is simply a string of characters the websites use as their website addresses that you type into your web browser to access. Ideally, your domain name has to resemble your niche, and using keywords related to it to create your domain name will help your Amazon affiliate website rank on top of search engine query results. To get your domain name, you have to buy it from a domain vendor. We recommend you to use HostGator.com because you will also be able to buy everything else you need to create your Amazon affiliate website from there. Start by going to the Domains tab and type your domain name in the Choose Your New Web Address bar and click on Search to check its availability. Once you find a good domain name available, add it to your cart and buy it before someone else does. Hosting. Awesome! Now that you have a great domain name, you need hosting for your website. Hosting service is space on an internet server to upload your website and make it available to visitors from around the world. You can buy excellent hosting service from HostGator.com. Go to the Web Hosting tab where you will find 3 different hosting plans available: Hatchling Plan, Baby Plan, and Business Plan. We recommend you select the Baby Plan. This one will give you more for your Amazon affiliate business because it will allow you to use it for unlimited domains, to use one-click installs, and unmetered bandwidth. Click on Sign Up Now to check out and get ready to start building your Amazon affiliate website in the following step. Website Builder. You will need a website builder in order to create your Amazon affiliate website the fastest way. Luckily, HostGator provides a nice selection of website builders for you to choose from. Simply log into your HostGator cPanel after you buy your hosting plan to install your website builder. WordPress is our website builder of choice, as well as the choice of a million other Amazon affiliates, because it's very easy to use and allows for simple yet powerful customization for your Amazon affiliate websites. You can easily install WordPress on your Amazon affiliate website from your HostGator cPanel by clicking on WordPress One-Click Installation. Once you do, you will be asked to enter your site setup information. First, you have to select a domain from your domain list in the Select Domain for Installation menu, and then enter the name of your site's directory in the field next to the domain menu and click on Next. Now you have to enter your admin info. Start by entering the name of your site in blog title, and then your admin username in admin user, which is the username that you will use to log into your WordPress site as the administrator. Now enter your first name and your last name. Lastly, enter your admin email, which will be the main email address that you will use to manage your Amazon affiliate site. Once you enter all your information, check the Terms of Service Agreement box and click on Install. A progress bar at the top of the screen will let you know the progress of your WordPress installation. The installation complete message will appear on top once WordPress is installed on your Amazon affiliate site. Here you will also have the credentials to log into your WordPress account, from where you will be able to manage your new Amazon affiliate website. Copy and save your username and your password. To log into your WordPress dashboard, simply add \wp-login.php at the end of your WordPress site URL in your web browser. Now enter your username, your password, and click on Login to log into your new WordPress dashboard for the first time. You are now inside your WordPress dashboard, and it's time to start setting up your site so you can later stuff it with awesome Amazon affiliate product-oriented content. Your Amazon affiliate website is bare bones the first time that you install WordPress. So the first thing that you have to do is find a nice affiliate-oriented theme for your site. You can do this by going to the Appearance tab and selecting Themes. You can look for free affiliate-oriented themes by clicking on Add New Theme. You can use the Search Themes search bar to find themes for affiliates, and we recommend to get started by installing a free theme such as the ReviewGene affiliate theme, which is a widely used free theme used by many successful affiliates. Simply hover over it and click on Install, and then on Activate. Now your site has been installed a nice affiliate theme that you can edit by using the Customize button. Here you can see how cool the theme looks, making it easy for visitors to find what they're looking for, and then some. You can add pages for content categories by using the Pages tab in your dashboard and clicking on Add New. Here is where you will create pages to promote your affiliate content. You can enter the title of your promotional pages in the Enter Title field and the description of the page in the text field below. You can use the Add Media button to insert images and links within the content of your pages. Use the Featured Image section to insert the image that you're going to use as the main image on your pages. Once you are ready to publish a page to post product-oriented content, simply click on Publish. Now, to add content to these pages, you have to use the Post tab on the left side menu. Click on Add New, and you will be taken to an editor with similar features on the Pages editor. You will have a title field to title your content posts, a text field to enter your written content, the Add Media button to insert images, videos, and links with your product posts, a format box, a categories box to select a category for your posts, and a tags box to insert tags to make it easier for people to locate your posts using keywords. Use the Publish button to publish content here as well. This is how you will be adding content to populate your Amazon affiliate website. And in our following video, we're going to show you how to create amazing content that will help you boost up your Amazon affiliate earnings. Creating product-oriented content. After you choose your niche, select some hot products to promote, create your Amazon affiliate website, and sign up for the Amazon Associates program to create your Amazon Associates account, the time comes to start doing the hardest part, the one that will determine if you make it or if you break it as an Amazon affiliate. We are, of course, talking about the part where you finally start creating content for your Amazon affiliate website, because content is what will attract buyers to your Amazon affiliate websites. But why do we say that this is the hardest part? We say so because creating content for affiliate sites is not easy for the most part, and that is exactly where most affiliate marketers fail. And because of that, we are going to show you how to create amazing content for your Amazon affiliate sites the easy way. After all, creating awesome product-oriented content for your affiliate sites comes down to following a series of easy-to-apply strategies. So let us grab you by the hand and guide you all the way through. Building product-oriented pages. Product-oriented pages are used in affiliate marketing sites to promote Amazon affiliate offers, and the goal of these pages is to drive traffic to any given product page on Amazon and foster sales. So in short, these pages are designed to generate affiliate income on Amazon affiliate websites. Let's check what a nice-looking product-oriented money page looks like. The first thing that you will notice is that a product-oriented page is full of product-oriented content, including profitable keywords, product images that link to affiliate offers, and long, evergreen product-oriented written content. We recommend you look at successful Amazon affiliate sites that promote stuff related to your niche for inspiration. In our case, we're looking at thewirecutter.com, an Amazon affiliate site that gets over 8 million unique visitors each month and that generates affiliate income in the millions. The strategies that we are about to reveal next are being used by the most successful and most profitable Amazon affiliate sites around, so pay good attention and start applying them as well. Use profitable keywords. Profitable keywords are keywords that drive purchasing intent and that are used by people to search for information about products on any given niche when they are ready to make a purchase. Note that these keywords are not merely used to find product information. They are used for research by people that like to make informed purchases. See how profitable keywords are used in this affiliate site, as they are not targeting gaming headphone, but best gaming headphone, which is a long tail keyword used by people looking into buying the best gaming headphone available. So what are they doing here? They are using these long tail keywords so people looking for the best headphone or the best air conditioner land on these pages. See how they combine best with cheap to target people looking for the best equipment on a budget. To give you an example with our niche, we are not going to target best home theater systems, but best 7.1 receivers. To make sure that a keyword is profitable, go to the Amazon homepage and type it into the search bar. If it's highlighted in the results, then it is indeed profitable. Profitable keywords should also include brand names in some circumstances, and they have to be used on the title of your product-oriented pages, throughout your content, and on your tags. Product images. Product images will always drive engagement, period. And you have to use a wide variety of them in your product-oriented pages in order to motivate people into buying the products that you're promoting. Product images work because people mostly make purchasing decisions based on how attractive the products look on product pages. It is very important that the images that you feature on your product-oriented pages link to their respective Amazon product pages. Product images are best used at the top of your content. Quality written content. Of course, your product pages would be nothing without cool and informative written content geared toward telling your visitors what your products are all about and why they should make a purchasing decision right when they finish reading, perhaps before. In order to achieve this, you have to go beyond reviewing the product or stating your opinion on the product. You have to answer the question that your visitors were trying to answer when they landed on your product page in the first place. Start by describing what the product is, what its benefits are, and why people should buy it. For example, if you target the best keyword for your product, explain why it is the best, and so on. Ideally, you should have tried the product that you are writing about, but we know that this is not only difficult but quite expensive. So a good starting point is to simply go on the product page on Amazon. Once there, check the title and the product description to get information about the product. Also check the sponsored products related to this item, and the customers who bought this item also bought horizontal lists, so you can casually stack the product that you are writing about against similar products. It can be useful to insert affiliate products for other items and increase revenue. Lastly, check the customer reviews. Check the most relevant reviews on each sale, from 5 stars to 1 star, to see what customers think about it, so you can use this information on a pros and cons section for your product page. As a final piece of advice, try to make your written content from 2,000 to 2,500 words long in order to make it relevant on search engine results. Follow these simple strategies and you will be swimming in affiliate money sooner than you might expect.